hearing. So for people they ask me about your son, why you say good evening, Miss Oma, why you stop saga? I stop saga because good name is far better than money. I know say if I do saga, I they get views, I they get engagement. My face, I they go far, my post they go far. But within me, you get level where you go reach in life, where people they look up to you. You got to drop all those things where go make people they insult you. So for me, I think it is a high time I drop saga and focus on my life because Agike, good evening. Good name is far better than money. Me doing saga, maybe I saw get change there for. If not they hear me, let me know, please. No verse. Somebody says it's not hearing me. Maybe not your phone, not my own phone. Anointed, how you there now? How you there? Make I check my name. But within me, you get level you go reach in life. Make I check my. Okay, something there now. The thing they talk well. So you know, in life, you get level where you go reach. You be like, make I stop this saga of 18. I don't know why for here the thing is not reflecting, but for here the thing they go well. Did I watch it? Didn't know here. Oreba never negotiate.
In the right 103 from our own.
But this one the right 53, but anyway we'll move. Regardless. So it gave many reasons what make me stop saga. One, I will hear say you go call today, see one Igbo. Please upload current pictures for us. Akpamo page, no verse, no your name, no beside they call you. I know anything concerning saga for this page, I know they do them again. You supposed to know me now. Anything we concern Ogechi Njaka when you vamo, I know they do them anymore. So I have given my life to my people, you understand? My name is Ebonyi son, and that name I don't think I will use that name to be doing saga, not about Mado saga. You understand? Carry. Open a Jpac and a saga. I wish him good luck. When those are saga, I wish him good luck. Even though hope, how are you now? How you doing? Even though when I post video about saga, you understand? Much reaction, much comment, much views, and other things. But yes, sometimes you need to pay some sacrifice for a better days ahead. You understand? So I have to drop that saga of 18. And me more in a saga with Ebonyi son. It's not something I'm proud of. You know, using Ebonyi son name to do saga. No. I don't think that name is suitable for saga. If I want to do saga now, I will create a different page. You understand? I will create a different page. Woriana about saga. Wabuma muiji Ebonyi son page about saga. No. Jpac, you are free. If I go with Jpac, you can use that name now about saga. So I have to. A lot of people go most Ebonyi son. Oh yeah, Jemara about saga. I'm gonna be now about saga like this. Sometimes somebody have a video, you will come to your page or type, we check what is going on. Okay, change the kind of cell in a prison. Okay, if you update for WhatsApp, I'm not Ebonyi son is now a changed person. My yes should be my yes, you know. So even if I post anything about 2,000 views or 500 views or 200 views being them, it is okay for me because good name is far better than money. And when I stopped saga, you know, a lot of people begin to come close to me. People begin to, you know, begin to appreciate me. People begin to respect me more. A lot of dignitaries begin to come close to me, begin to, you know, call me Ebonyi son, save my contact. My name is this, you know. Unlike Mbenna saga, we can saga name with a favor, but our destiny differs. You understand me? My name is Ebonyi son. His name may not be Ebonyi son. So our destiny are not the same. So these are some of the reasons why I stopped saga of 18. You understand? So and that thing is that like here and now Governor Eziokwu, Ebukobi, Zion, Nando Ngokpala Putasana Zion hijacked their land through the government of Imo State. I'm not worried about saga now. I know how I go twist it, how I will arrange it, how I package it. Can make sure make your thought name with the views, you know, reaction. About all those things, no. I got to tell myself nothing but the fact. Why am I doing saga? Saga of 50 member of 50 rom. So it is better I focus with my name, focus with the reason why I created my page. Mbani me village, me video, ebe oza drama, ebe ndewe hobo hole, school drama, hospital drama, you know, that will give me more honorable name. You understand? That will give me honorable name than me in a basaga. Mother from Nezina, you always Ebonson, you are doing great. Ebonson, you are doing, you know. So I prefer that or good name than mother hail me. Ebonson, I have fun. No. I don't, if you are a Christian, that is your own cup of, you know. You have we have freedom of worship. If you are a pagan, you know, we have a freedom of worship. But for me, I don't need to poke nose for what that is not that did not concern me. Whatever that is none of my business, I don't need to poke nose. I have to focus because there's a reason why I created this page. The day I created this page, that was April 17th, 2020. I created a page with the name Ebonyi Son because I felt like let me use that my page, educate my people, post good things about my people, and project our name in a good way, not in a bad way. So I felt like it is a high time I drop the saga. I wish others success. Some of my colleagues can about saga. I wish them well, you know. You understand me? Ndo to can about saga. I put acquire daily hammer, whatever. I wish them well. But for me, I think it's a high time I stopped. And I have to stop for real. Ndị man they feel that Ebonyi Son hi ikwesịkwa ina-eme afugo mu oge chinjaka na nwere agbaba saga na akwa better update yo. But when ndị ga na-enye information na Abuja, you know, a lot of people, you know, ga na-enye information here onye ga triple dollar how you dey onye enye information. A lot of videos a na-enye m si Ebonyi Son blog this video na oge chinjaka na efe na-eme na nga okpala na efe na-eme asụkwa na ndị nke na ndị Ngokpala their land through the state Imo state government. Ebonyi Son, do this, talk am now, you know, do this. No, I said no, I'm not available. Thank you. Even though we know I said you can video for that Ngokpala, I said Ebonyi Son, talk. We're gonna guy and say I'm not available. So I got to that good name is Obono ye dem with 200 views. Even since stop saga is like kind of I think I have peace of mind. You understand me? Even peace of mind. Even peace of mind because you are doing great, my brother. Thank you very much. A lot of people come from different angles. Unlike before, people call me Ebonyi Son, you know go better for you. Even though those things no go affect me. If they talk to this person like this, individual the thing no go affect me. What if I you understand me? I have nothing to lose. But the fact remains that tomorrow they grow up and I wear belly face, even though I have not sold my dignity. Sometimes I see my friend post something on Facebook or post something like a Jpac, and I'm sorry to call that name. Or post see and the man and I say wear belly face. Or put a if you check anything Jpac post you now, I've opened 200 comments, 50 comments you are there. If I can there, wear belly face. I need you and Furniture to come to Sapele from Lagos. My brother, if you go host us, we will come. Because while we are in Lagos, Eric. So if you want to get host us, you host us. So while we are in Lagos here, because somebody has hosted us, pay for our flight, and pay for our hotel room and pay for all our logistics. So if you can host me, I will come because me I don't get money to flex.
We don't get money for flex.
Yes, but Ebonyi Son, it is saga that makes you go viral. Yes, you are true, my brother. Abuchi Nkwoda. Yes. Besides, the brother saga me get viral. He may get viral before, but when I begin to talk about our people, how candy marriage are called rubbish. You understand me? They are called rubbish about our people. So on the norms, honorable for my friend. So don't tempt me for saga again. I'm no more interested. Honorable my friend, Jpac post a video or post anything and I say I wear belly face, wear belly face, wear belly face. It depends me. Because Oburu is buffer. Okay, make you almost say trust, you man trust again. Even though Oburu day, what's the near white, man here white, what's the near black, man here black. Even if you see me now post a native doctor, I'm not posting a native doctor because I'm promoting that native doctor for you. Oh, we can buy a jojo. Can those who worry amuri? Like oh, native doctor na oh one native doctor na Akbomna, Ebonyi State. Some Ebonyi son. Yes, all Ruchi Ibago. Yes, all more. Let me they talk. You understand?
Eric say you pay.
You understand? So, you know, that is why anything I post for Facebook, whether a native doctor or pastor, I'm not posting that to make you like the person or make you love the person. Sunday Ezekiel. Now let me educate you. Sunday Ezekiel. I'm from Ebonyi. I'm from Ebonyi State. You understand? And that Ebonyi State where I come from a very poor home, even though not poor home like that, because my grandfather was a king, if I'm not making mistake, and my father was a headmaster, but he died earlier. You understand? So he died earlier. So I understand what poverty is all about. Our people, for Ezekiel, our people, once you get something like 1 million or 1.5 million, because of this I comment, you go rush, go home, go buy bike. You go buy bike, good house, now no get better house. You go buy bike of 1.1 or 1.2 million. After expenses, that bike go be like 1.4 million. And I no get better house, maybe in a mud block where they live. Instead of you to use that bike, plaster the house, arrange money for the bike, arrange the house, then you will not use the money, go buy bike. And after Xmas, you pack that bike, come back to city. Then when you come back for Xmas, probably you will still have to repair the bike. So that is why when our people make mistake, you make mistake, but in the buy him, what you will take go. Or if you will channel your money in such a way that no you go. Or in you will that money, make go the foundation. You will that money, make go the foundation, block cement, even make foundation. Join and I put on small. Then they rush go bike. Whereas your parents are living in a hot house. Whereas your parents are living in a house where there is no window, no door. Oh, when the be that no but a police cage made window and door. You rush go bike of 1.something million. You say I should not talk. I will talk. When you do rubbish, barrier you should go. I go my fool. I make that mistake before. I make that mistake in the first morning with the Russia go machine. We are still suffering, no. Being the first son in Russia group machine, no. And sometimes somebody go hustle, go ahead, go slow. You go hawk finish. Save like from January to December, you go come home, go buy machine. Money we supposed to use rent shop, buy market put. When you buy that bike, you go drop am for village. Come back to Lagos or come back to Onitsha, go back to Port or River State or Bayelsa. Go start afresh, begin to hawk again. You don't pack machine for home. So you see, say you no get sense. You understand me? You see, say you no get sense. But when you get sense, if you dey hawk, you save money. Me, I dey repair phone for PWK before. So I can't see some of my friends. Nobody the way they reason when me I dey reason. I need to give them chance. Then I begin to think, how I go take better my life from this repairing phone 300 naira, then 400 naira, you know, you go do math, you go do charging point. To repair phone good though, if you do them, you arrange them in a very big way, a good way they give money. I need you to run advert, brother. How can you do it for me? According to Funny say you been brother, making a talk for WhatsApp. I'm not going to talk this kind of thing for here. You understand? So you need to, I sit down within myself. On the man I have to life no nature. Because that mentality can do there. If but an abandon gone no mania, no go, water credit, tap the soup, tasuya. See them born me never go club. I can't be club. I'm not me a club.
I want to disvirgin.
Mba, I can't be club. And no matter what, even if you carry me reach there, if I look, I don't like, I will just come up because oh when a club do bad, you want to give a back club, na your money, but I eru. Oh when they can't motor go buy now, you go no say I don't reach that level. That's why they drive my spider. If it spoil, I go repair them. You understand? Spider may be a measure because I only if you maybe that spider I no go fear repair. Nothing will go spoil for that spider who I no go fear repair. If the engine knock, I go buy another engine because I pass them. I carry go to that spider, but they drive them because I will make go that spider now. But the reason why they drive me say if it spoil, I go. If I go buy AMG, GL AMG, if I go buy AMG now, that one where they that base where they get like this, AMG GLE. Something can happen, maybe something of 15 million or something of 17 million. I go to do I like this. So you go buy, you go to do things where we say, you know, on the norms, this is not going to affect you. You understand my point? So you learn, they learn from other people's mistake. And another reason why I stop saga be say, you know, you get what you fit like Jpac don't go sell or prison, sell for more than 3 times. You understand me? So I have to learn from others' mistake. Hey, to go. And people are looking up to me. I know the open and Nazafa Yedeka. Pitakwa. Yaounde. Or you know, different name from that from when no include the Ebonyi son. I feel they do saga they go. You understand me? I feel they do saga they go. But this one why they answer Ebonyi son. There's a lot of things who have you do. They was on the basilica can say me. Oh, if me post on the norms that true they talk. But because that name Ebonyi son, I on the basilica I say me. You understand me? So I have to drop saga. I don't need them again. Anybody na about saga wish and good luck. Except somebody scam you. I know the person. I go call them out. Do my own best and leave the rest for God. At least I go expose him. So that if they want to scam another person, they don't go scam another person again. But on the norms, you know, make me I can sit down, mount camera. Say, this one do like this. You know, concern me. Whatever some do, I do. Make I do my own do. Who you follow motos? Who you follow? If now, who you follow motos? Who you follow? Yes, Jesus. So I have to mind myself. They're responsible. I have keys. Borechia from yes, honorably. Mana basaga na government go remember me. You understand me? You go marrying TV, respect yourself. Which of who goes here position? Now my mother goes me. Oh. You understand? So mana basaga na for government to see me and call me and recognize me. Na basaga. I got fear so this person they dent our image. This person they dent our image. But on a man basaga na government can see me. A lot of government officials they call me. Son, you're doing well, you're doing well. You see I'm now. If you marry early, if you get what you do, you marry early. You good though. You understand me? But what you know, some people feel marry early, money no go there. But if you have focus, it go good for you. Because you get people who don't marry early now, we say then they suffer before. Now then they enjoy. Why me I marry them? We say I get handwork. If you get handwork, what you do? What you know say every day you must go home with food money, and after food money you go save small money. You are free to go. Say you marry. Every day you go out, you must come back home with food money. And after that food money, you go save small thing. You are free to marry. God will bless you. Nobody knows tomorrow. But you don't get handwork, you don't get shop. You from home come to Lagos or Bayelsa. No Bayambuari. ị na-anụ nwaanyị nwunye gị nwoke chụrụ masịrị ị na-akwụ school fees ị na-eme nka ọ ga-ebuga aka because you are not financial stable. But at least no nwere ife na-eme na everyday na pụgodị na-enweta ego nwunye gị nọrọ na village gị nwa nọrọ na town here, you are free. Sunday Vito, good evening, you are free. You understand me? So man, not talk with I don't know. You know, say me I know they talk with I don't know. Anything what I post for my page here, no say the truth. I'm the last person who go post anything false news on my page again. Because of that saga, my page. Because of that saga, my page don't give violation. Well, that's why my page. One year, my sister, how you doing now? How are you? And because of that saga, me and my sister 1 year I get problems as of last 2 years. You understand me? Boss, I'm looking for work. I beg your sister, everywhere strong. I don't get work. Where go give you my sister? I don't get to work with my sister. Where you there, my sister? Make some perpetual. Because of that saga, me and my sister 1 year I get issue as of 2 years ago. Because saga go make you go get enemy. When you not supposed to get, you go accumulate enemy. Like person that accumulate cost.
And the police now.
Yes, now. Saga go make you go accumulate enemy. Now saga make me and my sister 1 year I get problem before. This is sister we did Dubai. As I stop saga, me and she will reconcile. You see, saga no good. If you want to do saga, you do saga in a very good, mature way. Like for instance, now somebody come out tonight and insult our governor. I will give you woto. Dig your profile. Nyegi woto because you insult my governor. Or somebody insult Baby Okuna. Or somebody insult Annie Chooks. Or somebody insult Ndomo. Or somebody insult maybe Fego. Or somebody insult The Choice. Or somebody insult Eziokwu, you know, or somebody insult my boss, is not government chairman, John Goldwyn. Since he stopped saga, I started following your post 24/7. Now, so now a lot of people, okay, they AI, okay, now chat me on WhatsApp and my sister. Maybe you go do civil defense. If you go do civil defense, I go link you up now sharp for Abuja. I'm Sgo TV. You're welcome. So perpetual make sure if you go do O level WAEC, if you go do civil defense, I got the contact sharp Abuja direct civil defense work. If you go do my sister, I will give you correct contact now. You go Abuja, they do civil defense. That's the only one way me I feel do. So since we have stopped saga, better people they come close to me. And let me tell you one thing. You get some advert what they do for some of our people. Where say people go call me. Ebonyi son they don't pass to do this person this advert. The reason why they do and they say make that person progress. You don't go remove anything from my body. That is me for you. Some people will say this advert you're not supposed to do them. You don't pass. No, I don't pass anything. These people are my people. If you come in for advert, for the fact you will pay for my logistics and everything, I will come and do your advert and go. You know, concern my own be set up. As far as you are doing, you are genuine. Like how much they go they pay the person. You see what the person will ask me. I be federal government. The federal government go they pay you, no be me my brother. If you want to do civil defense, you chat me. I go forward their number to the person. From now tomorrow where the thing go end. 12 o'clock tomorrow the thing go end. Can Joseph say tell us what to make you stop to do saga? Number one, not about politics, my brother. Two, as far as I don't about clicky, as far as I know thief, I know by person, I know they sell illegal something. It go hard for you to arrest me. Which police you go use to arrest me? The police command, Ebonyi State Police Command, let me they promote their page. Which police you go use go arrest me for back click? Let me they promote their page. So before you arrest me, you go write to Commissioner of Police. They go invite me come in or questioning about someone won't see you. So when you talk of that one, keep that one on one side. Except say I thief, or I rape somebody, or I go do something when no good. That one. But for normal talking, no now. So I stopped saga because it no suit me. Oh, can I just stop? I no want know this bad name. When they do saga, if they do saga, people go they insult you. You know, you get some people go they look you as if say you go accumulate enemy. Saga what I go do now be say as my maybe you get where maybe somebody send me a video where some group of people they try to intimidate you or intimidate you guys. I go do video like video why they do all this Oba where our Igbo brothers buy land, not only Ebonyi people, Enugu, Imo, Abia, they buy land there. And Oba people come they do mago, you know, come they extort money from them. That one a very reasonable saga. You understand me? A very reasonable saga. Because that one they nobody for Ebonyi people. You buy land finish, they say their land don't finish. Indirectly they don't talk out. But because they don't get land to sell again, they come they tax them. So that would be saying now, I'm trying to create awareness for other people to be very careful. You get the point? So that is, you get the kind of saga where you go do. You go be mature saga. But not this Ebuko be this. Zion this. This one. What thing concern me with those people? Do your thing, make I do my thing. If you like, go there, make them chop you. Now your couple, now your business. You don't consign me. If you like, go there, stay there 100 days fasting and prayer. It's none of my business. It's nothing consign me. Now you they go there. If you go to the thief doctor and chop you, you don't consign me. But if I see the thief doctor when we say he they do fake yo, well I know say they scam our people. I feel post and say, be careful of this so person, be careful. You understand? So that is the reason. These are some of the reasons why. Please, we need your voice for AKZ. In Igbo, we don't have good running water and no light. Someone don't chat me now. I say make him do small video. Same for my WhatsApp. The person not do, because before I go any place or before me and my squad go any place, you go do video show me say the place there. Then I will go there. Nobody say go just tell me make I go here. But son, we know the grief anybody. I greet you, sir. Eze, good evening, my brother. So that's how it be. And I don't look like a trouble person. See me, I look gentle. I don't look like a trouble person. So why would I be looking for trouble? I'm the last person who go be like, I go say, you can't run ogu. Then I come they promote the ogu. Then the native to go buy car give me. I go drive them. I will come and say, juju, no power for juju. Then native to go buy car give me. I will drive them. I no fit do them. Then I will come back when they talk ever against man of God. When I finish, I go kneel down. Go inside the church. I go kneel down. He go they pray for me. I no get two tongue. Now one tongue I get. You understand me? So that is why I have to respect myself. So anything you see me post on my page, no say that thing they authentic. If you see me do advert, no say that thing they authentic. You know how many of these post bait don't approach me? How much you collect for 6 months make you do advert for us? I say I know they do. Because all those this one I no one call their name. Use my promo code. All this not thief, not lie. Why they not go introduce their own family, their extended family? Their family don't get money. They will go to their village, pack people, introduce it to their people. But because you know say fans, when you talk of use my promo code, then go rush. So me that kind of no fit do am. Daniel Umore, where you there for Lagos? Make we chill. There somewhere Jakara side because of our brother where they open shop. Now we are there. So that place I did everything you do now are legit. Yes, now my dear. Anything what they do now, I won't like to be journey alive for this, for that you have integrity. Yes, now. Do you know how many people? Well, many many listen, brand don't chat me. Ebonyi son, I want you to do advert like 6 months. How much you collect? Yeah, at the end of the video, make it talk. Say, use my promo code. Check on the comment section. All these big bloggers and big celebrities, they do them. They know it's a scam. They know it's a scam. They don't go tell you. Use my promo code. Nah lie. You go use 200 naira. Make we check tomorrow night. Okay, collect number for that check comment section. Ngore somebody. Ngore our brother. Collect my number, collect the number there. You understand me? All this is not a lie. But because of say we love this person, hey, now our celebrity. You use my promo code, you go use that. They go chop you 200 naira, 300 naira, or 400 naira. Bam bam. That's all now. That's all. Yeah, so you recently seem distant from Jpac. You are saga party. Hope everything is fine. After with Jpac, my own Ebonyi son. If you go check under his comment section, you go see what people they write there. Wear belly face. Anywhere they talk about him, wear belly face. I don't make anybody they call me that name. You understand me? So me, I have to. We know they fight. He's my friend. But making they doing one saga, make me a day my own Jpac, not Anambra son. That boy in Aza Oka son for TikTok. Go watch that boy video. You go see say if they use and post something where they reasonable, no be saga. That boy where they answer Oka son. Go and check it now. You see say that boy now, they post something reasonable. So now that can't be me what they post on my page. So Jpac no the answer Anambra son. Me the answer Ebonyi son. And my job now, I love and pass what they do before. Now if I talk, people they listen. If I post something, you go see somebody go from Abuja call me. Ebonyi, you are doing great. How are you? How are you, my dear? How are you doing? I love what you are doing, mate. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, can you drop me account? Let me support you. You know, normal. If all these videos where sister they post, I go here, I go here. I go do video here, post road no day normal. Even if they don't walk that road, I don't draw their attention there. It is not compulsory if I post then go walk up. But I don't draw their attention. Anyway, what I do, they don't do them. After like 6 months, I will still go back to do another video. Even if they don't walk up, it will be on a history that a boy son don't do this, don't do this. You understand me? So I have to respect my name, respect that name, Ebonyi son. So if you are not seeing me with the saga, I'm sorry. Anything concerning saga, I'm no more interested. Oh, if you are following me because of saga, no. Even if I don't build name, I for change this Ebonyi son, begin to answer another name, so that I'm going to do saga because saga they give money. Reduce the volume. You understand me? So because saga they give money for Facebook, you call saga front and back, you give views. Facebook will pay you better money. But you gonna give bad name. This one anywhere where I go, person see me. Ebonyi son, thank you. You did represent well. God bless you, my brother. May God bless you. May God bless you. You are doing great. With let me pay for you. Let me pay. Don't worry. But that time, person would see me. Ebonyi son, woto master. If they come in woto master, it will be on a very good, perspective. If the people they speak English, in a good projection. Yes, now Abuchunko, they don't know. You don't know. You understand me? So all these use my promo code. Make I tell you that's the reason why I still there poor. If I begin to collect all the people they chat me, VAT, I no go there poor. Now that's why I there poor. Because I see where I go collect money, 10 million here, 5 million here. Because me, I know it's not fake. You go use 200 and play 400 or 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Then go chop it. You don't go hold me. Not me say make you go play, use my promo code. All those things are a lie. Oh, knockout.
Yeah, they can go knockout.
So all this is not a lie. So you understand? So I got to respect myself. Yes, now all this use my promo code. You don't know. Use my promo code. Share this live broadcast, make people learn. When you see big celebrities, they talk. My name is this. Use my promo. I don't want to call any brand name. Make them not touch and disturb them. Okay, make I drop my number for you now, my dear. So we will talk. Use my promo code. My name is this. Use my promo code. Now lie. Then go chop you. Tag you go. We'll move regardless. Make I drop somebody my number. Make sure that we'll continue.
But
I didn't hear you.
hello? Alpha Daniel. Good evening. Okay, this is funny sense. Ebonyi son colleague. Okay, we did together, sure.
Should answer a call first.
We did
So anybody where they say okay, my brother now, bless say one big man. Hotel where the guy go put me in a Vitan hotel though. A Vitan hotel, bless say one big man enter. They come, you know, throw some bullet. They clap on for maybe one big man enter here, they clap on.
That person talk when you block us. Now because of that gun, they say they are coming for you that you should lock your door. No, you don't block them.
I'm always unique. Yes, now this promo code now fake now, you don't know. That's why I know they collect the offer. I know if you collect them, even if you price me 10 million. Once they know say they do well, okay, Kenneth, my boss, good evening, sir, how you doing? I will come and see you tomorrow. I don't know my movement to sir, no come. I don't know my movement to man, no do you promise and fail. As I then I get 2 appointments to finish from that on Sunday, I get 2 appointments. Make I run and finish first. So no come my brother. Because tomorrow evening they come up from this hotel, go another place. From that place now, I will go another place. So that's so it be. So anybody where say they say follow my promo code, use my promo code, use my promo code, check on the comment section. Now lie, the person don't love you. Call me my brother, or chat me on WhatsApp. Chat me on WhatsApp, my boss. So anybody will say use my promo code, use my promo code. Now lie yo. If you get sense, not say that person, okay, I will call you tomorrow morning. Okay, sir, thank you. Thank you. Anybody will say use my promo code, no say that person not to love you. But you know say we Nigerians, when we don't love person, we don't love them. Even if the person they say go put your head for fire, go put them. But somebody will love you. That promo code now waiting 7 minutes and done. Now so now, but me I no fit. They don't go tell the truth. Make I shock you. Do you know that some people go there say this company na fake? Do you know? They don't say the company no they legit. It will be agreement between them and that company. They will not be brand ambassador or advertise those things for those people. When they go pay the huge amount of money. They don't say that company, they know they legit. They go talk under agreement. They will collect them, do advert for them. After like 2 years or 3 years, they didn't go food. Your money go. They don't collect their own money. They don't do advert like 1 year for them. Come on hand. Because they get better big platform. You understand me? So they don't do that advert like 1 year. Come on hand. They follow you the year. The company go food. You don't go hold them. Somebody who don't stop to do advert for over 1 year ago. They don't say na fake. That company know they legit. So for you to make very big money for Nigeria, you need to get dirty mind. That is why people like us today poor. If not, there's many things we are going to do now. You know, collect here, collect here, collect. Before I collect about 3 to 4 advert, do rubbish. I don't collect maybe about 30 million. Money don't come. Use them establish 1 or 2 things. Your money could accumulate more. Yes, now. But when you come to me, I go tell you, I know they do. My boss, I don't message you, but you never reply. Okay, I go check out my brother. So that is it. So I have to stop saga because of my reputation. Now so now, even our brother OGB reaching. Now so now. So them, those things no matter for them. So I have to stop saga because of my integrity. That name Ebonyi son. Where I come from. Yes. I don't need to spell that name. Now very big name be that Ebonyi son. Now big name. Will be say if I get better name, even if I buy, my children will begin to enjoy that name. I want Ebonyi son. You understand me? Now very big name will be say I'm not supposed to spoil. God forbid I go do saga one saga what I do now. Maybe I can't do one saga when no good. She the man Nancy. I do give away last 3 days ago or 4 days ago. 5,000, I don't see you. But maybe we will do another one on Sunday. From Jpac. You understand? So now, so I think go do one advert, one saga what I go do now, I go enter prison. When I come back now, bad name for me. I will be ex-convict. Because of saga. I saw getting the card for prison now. Because of saga. Some people they say, right on. Ezugo now, where is Ezugo? Ijuwa now, where they like Udele. Where is Ezugo now? Where is Ijuwa? Even our brother Ako, they enjoy now. But they'll get in for prison. Because of right on. They will hail you. Ha! Yeah, water, give them hot. Give them as they hot. Your head go swell up. You shazagi. You know, you go to walk like this. As if say you be elephant. They go to push you. You know, say fans. Some fans feel push you. You go enter early grave. Okay, change your somewhere that they cool off. H-off. Are you there now? Right on, I beg. No, I don't go feel right on for something we go put in for a problem. Wisdom to why you there. Facebook fans go push you. That time when they do saga, they will say, Ebonyi son, people go chat me privately. Ebonyi son confirm. No only you person why I say, you know they fear. Give them hot as they hot. I like your courage, you know they fear. Ebonyi son, I like your courage, you know they fear. Confirm. My head go swell up. I go to find new update. I go to knock am. I go to do here like okay. They go to push you. Oh, get you the prison too. I think it's a part of the script too. Which is script? Oh, get you the prison and they cool off. All those people they push them now. Maybe some of them when they say karisa. When you moramo. Some of them this night now they go do love with their partner. Ezugo now Ezugo that one way mouth dey like this. This life now go use this night go use that mouth they kiss him baby or you woman. Oh get you there for prison. Ijuwa where they like me, where they like toothpick. Where your head they fall off like my own head. Would they enjoy life? I like that dude at your back. Nicholas Scholar Stig whatever. This is name no green pronounce. And Obtes, Emmanuel, my boss, he told me, Obtes is my boss here. If you can join us live, I will add you. Obtes, my boss, told me, my boy son, you have a bright future. If you go stop saga now, because he say you go far. And I stopped. Because me and the people they listen to. If you give me good advice, I go listen to that advice. I have to tell myself I got to stop this saga. Okay, Chinjaka is in prison. Because right on, when you were he go come out, Mona, shake Ike. Mona, as if Oguramwam. But I see Oge Chinyaga post where she posts. Now somebody manage that post. Now she get admin. Even if I know there now, even if say you get aside there somewhere, somebody go still post on this page. Nobody me be admin here. Another person be admin for that Oge Chinyaga page. That's why she dey post. Now Nigeria here she there for prison now. You understand me? Yes, Oge Chinyaga never see it coming. You know, no. Then they deceive him. Say contact plenty. Contact today. Onye tinyara onye gbo some pia. Onye gbo some mia. Contact today. Imakwa contact inji. Ana anyishi. Mommy hope Uzodema, thank you very much. Daddy Anyi, thank you very much. You know, contact today. He bought some package, Jpac, this, you know, imagine. You know. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, now, Saga stops endorsement. Yes, now, people going to see you as a bad influence. You get bad name. No be Jpac put them there, another person. No be Jpac put them there. Nothing concern Jpac. You understand me? Nothing concern Jpac. So anybody waiting to say Jpac, no, nothing concern Jpac. Now another person. Even a Jpac itself, the case don't die. The hand way hold and they play strong. Well, Jpac hand no even reach that side. Ogodo Onyebuchi, how you did now? Ogodo Onyebuchi is like now my neighbor for my community. Ogodo Onyebuchi, your mother and my mother are friends. I don't know if you're the one naked, if I'm correct. Prove me wrong, please. So, Obites Emmanuel, my brother, now so now my boss. People go push you, right on, right on, right on. Your head go big. No, now. Better name, good name is far better than money. Come on down with Gianna. This roasted yam and fried yam. So Saga no good. Saga no good. So I have to stop Saga. Ogogodo Yebuchi, you're welcome. So I have to stop Saga. Since why I stop Saga, people come they come close to me. Reasonable people come they come close to me. People where gay sense come they come close to me. Mature people come they deal with me. Come they make as a yes. Now when you come, unlike when you follow those people, they do rubbish. Yes, now I don't know. Now what in Jpac talk? I know say me and Jpac they do the same thing again. I hear say she called Mirabel a show for court today. Me I don't know. I say for Jpac page, but me I don't know. No say Jpac and a saga. Me I know the bar saga. Which 2 p.m. Ogenekwa. You must continue saga. Person me in the inside room here. Maybe them people in Kigana. So that's how it be. So thank you very much. My name is Ebonyi son. In case you're just joining us, since as I don't stop saga now, making they show me love. Bring deal for me. Bring better deal for me. I'm no more doing saga anymore. Do good. I know nothing concern me. Saga good for those who know have good name. You see, me I get better name, so that is it. Ebonyi son, I like you help. I like make you help grow my page. Make violation where they my page scholastic sticker again. make evaluation where my page come out because of saga. If you come out now, my page go bounce back, begin to breathe well. Yes, once the evaluation come out finish, my page Mirabel said so herself. Okay, if Mirabel talk am, na so it be now, because me I know they listen to those. Me I know they listen to those guys again. My boss, no be test. Anything where Jpac right, I know they take and say that normal Jpac, I know they value them. Because I'm normal instead they do saga. So anybody when they do saga, they take and say that normal thing to take growing page. You know, say don't create another page, they lay hammer. So if you go fit do anything to grow the page. So thank you very much. I'm still in Lagos. In case you want to come and buy rice and give me. In case you want to host me. Ebonyi son, come make I host you. Imemo yo. I'm kind of na Lagos. You understand me? I'm kind of na Lagos. So in case you want to do me yo. So you give me a call. What can I baby? Ana enye godo mmadụ woto na ịma na ezigbo woto ka a na-enye mmadụ ma chọọ woto ọ bụrụ ọzọ mgbe a na-enye rubbish woto. So good name is far better than money. It's good as you stop saga, my brother. That is the only reason why people like me can come close to you. Now funny thing, the side where we dey will put location at Lagos. This scholar more communication. Which location would they funny thing?
Would they about those side for Ijai?
Which one about those side Ijai?
No, I didn't know. For Jankara now.
For Jankara?
Which one is it? HFS make agree to now. Even that no get respect. What they trace.
For Jankara? Jankara side. So I beg you, when I come do me yo. What you're doing, thank you. If we go back now next week, we will start our job again. Begin to enter inside the village. I just dey pray, may God give me money. Make I buy healers. What I go take, they go inside villages. They do those videos. That's my prayer. May God just give me money now, make I buy healers. May God just bless me now, give me better money. Go buy maybe better contact come now. I knack money. King. Good evening, my brother. How you there? How you there? God, may God just bless me now. I just see money buy better, buy healers. Wow, go, you know, see my motor there down, not everywhere. And to the back person motor, you know, I no fit. And every time we go to charter shuttle bus, they go there. That I don't need them. So I just they pray me money come, may God give me money. Or give me contact where go money go enter. I go buy healers. What go take the enter inside villages. You get place where we supposed to go. But because of means. And if person call you now say make you go so place, go do video. If you no go, the person if you tell the person make you provide motor for you, make you carry go there, or make come carry you, the person will say you no serious. Okay, I'm watching from Onitsha, Obosi, Anambra State, but I'm from Ebonyi State, Eza South. You are welcome, my dear. Eza South. If we come back, we will come Eza South. You get so I did Dembia. As it Dembia. We will come there, come do video. Saturday as it Dembia. Try to do another restaurant again. But we move. Prince POG. Bonson, good evening. Good evening. So if you're in Lagos, call me now. Come do me yo. Come do me yo. If I want bam. Thank you, make I rest small. My head don't full. So these are some of the reasons why I stopped saga. I stopped saga because I believe good name is far better than money. I stopped saga because I prefer the future of my children. The porn reception saying that they are not banana hagaga. Understand?
Oh, that go wrong with this.
Porn reception. Okay, reception haga. And so I stopped saga because I felt like I need to have a good name for myself. I need to represent my people very well. That's why I stopped saga.
This thing number is not going through the kitchen.
You are still
It's not
strong.
going through.
When you say this, you are still strong.
You can send somebody to just.
You don't cut. So that's why I have to stop the saga. What can I bear? Okay.
You say my stew is doing it.
You say your still is strong.
Waiting I do.
You should go to my village. You should go forget.
Yeah, you just do.
Because Abaja.
Good evening, Mr. Man. What's up?
Perfect de China. Perfect de China.
Okay, you have fried yam. Okay, make it now.
Don't put sauce, so don't put egg. Just fry it like that.
Just fry the
Yam like that.
fry the yam like that.
No sauce,
No sauce, nothing.
No egg, egg.
You can make just fry sauce for 2 plates. Do sauce for 2 plates. Then the one without sauce is just.
Which one sauce for 2 plates?
Bush go eat now.
Which bush? Which was in one name? Sauce 1 plate.
Do sauce 1 plate. Without sauce 1 plate. Alright? Yes, just fry the yam like that.
What's in one name?
In love. In love.
So that is it, my dear. So I have to stop saga. But the special grace of God now. Ebonyi stone, Ebonyi stone, where are you from? Which side una dey? Oga 2 people. We dey Adamu Rosemary, we dey Jakarabi.
Yes.
Said Abule side where I come to work. Puffing dey China, my brother. Puffing dey China. Very soon now the evaluation where my page will come out. My page will now bounce back. I go use them the promote pages. You know, before they use them promote page. Adamu Rosemary, I see a handwork. I go roger you soon. I go roger you. I see what you do. I see a handwork. How they share my post. You go share them for different groups. I see them. I go roger you. Maybe by weekend, if they do giveaway, again I go increase their own to 10K. So they represent. And the life person when they support me, they do well. So I leave saga for Jpac and the rest of them. I know they're Ebonyi State, I do Lagos. I don't leave saga for Jpac. Make Jpac enjoy saga. They go. Me, I'm not interested. Good name is far better than saga. Think I'm done. You can go come. For instance, the ones we say we go.
It's fine.